What's good, you guys? This be your boy TJ. Welcome back to another video. I told you I would do a second react video. This time, we're gonna react to something hilarious. Animals that hate getting the middle finger and being flipped off. This should be funny. Enjoy it, because I know I will.
No. No. You don't like the middle finger? You don't like that?
You don't like the middle finger?
You know what that means?
You don't like the middle? Oh, that was funny.
Oh, shit.
Oh, damn. Joe! I never knew they could do that. He yanked that finger. Ooh. Oh, hell no. And they just knowing that. Like, it's like nothing's wrong. Put that finger down. I said put that finger down. Damn, I'm surprised he ain't scratching the shit out of him. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Yo, look at this cat. Oh, fucking angle! That was funny.
You don't like my middle finger? Oh my god, I'm really sorry.
Don't teach a pit bull bad things. This cat. That was nice. I like little kittens nibbling your finger. The cat, hell no.
Hey, Ramses. Ramses.
Dog ain't. Oh, he tried. He tried. Don't dogs like that, because they will bite you. This one's a little playful, but it's cool. Happy monkey. But that ain't no monkey, that's a dog. Where they get these titles from?
All right, sit.
Yo, these dogs and cats be funny as hell. Better stop playing with me. People don't get it. These dogs will bite. And they don't care. Whoa, shit. Hope you gonna bite. Look. Chilling. Little finger go up. This dog's not phased at all. I love Siberian Huskies. Get real close, he'll bite you. Come on, stop playing with me.
No, 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 no.
Dog wanted to laugh, but he went growl, really.
Doug, want some pizza? Doug, want some pizza?
Okay, the chipmunks. Okay, enough already.
Die namensgebende Insel ist die Kokossinsel. Sie liegt gut 500 Kilometer vor der Küste Costa Rica. Das Gebiet für unzählige Haie.
Little dogs are killing that part. The hell? Damn. Oh, they be quick too. He just nipped the shit out.
Hey, Joey.
Side, you know you gonna move it.
Oh, shit! You crazy.
Yo. Oh. Yeah. Guys, I don't have a dog. I never had a dog. Always had a cat. I love cats. But too bad we no longer have any more pets. So it's all good. But if you guys have a dog, y'all need to do a video of you and your dog. Whether you flipping the middle finger at them or just do a trick with the blanket or whatever. That would be great. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click that like button and come back for more. Alright, that's it. I just got disturbing news of that Madden 19 mass shooting at a tournament. I'm kind of like just getting bits and pieces of it now, so I will do a react video probably within the next half hour once I get myself together and try to figure out what the hell was going on in Jacksonville. If you guys don't know, you should know. But we'll check that out. But thanks so much for watching this video. I'm your boy TJ, and I will see you guys on the next video. Be safe.